welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm so glad you clicked on this video. This is my Halloween video. I decided I was going to be an angel for Halloween, and I wanted to do something that was very unique and would not cost me a lot of money, you know? So I went ahead and put this costume together. I'm gonna show you guys how I made it, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, gems, we are going out. We need to get some stuff to make costumes. So, oh yeah, this is kind of what I'm wearing. This is the vibe right now. Yeah, I know, not attractive. Why am I wearing black socks? Okay, gems, we are outside Walmart, and we're gonna see if they've got some angel wings. Let's go inside and check it out. Look at how fun. Oh, I love. Look at that crown. The party aisle is always a good place to check things out. What do we have? What do we have? And oh gosh, look at those. Looks so fun. Another day, another costume. Have to figure that out. Okay. No. Right. Next. Let's see. Baby's breath. That could work. Okay. The only place I can do this is on my couch because I need to watch my dogs, and she is still a puppy, so I cannot leave her by herself. No, there's nothing here for you. Sorry. Okay, so this is the stuff I got at Walmart. And we are going to focus on one thing at a time so we don't get overwhelmed. But we got some wings. Yes. And some baby's breath. Get out of there. Go play. All right. Yes, let's put this over here. And now let's get started. I think we'll use those sequins to do the straps. Using the hot glue gun, I just went ahead and placed them on the bra. The sequins I did on the straps, like I said. And now we are going to go ahead and put this gold fabric. I've pinned it down so it'll be easy for me to cut, but I have to incorporate gold into my costume. Just trying her on to make sure she still fits. All right, look at where we are. We need to get more stuff for our costume. Look at how convenient. You're right outside. Now this is what I need. Yes, look at what I have so far. Probably could have gotten just a few of these, but you know, why not just grab some? Ooh, can I use those? Don't think they have the colors I'm looking for. It is 6 o'clock in the evening. When you're a mom, you have to stop and do things, but I'll tell you what. I have been doing this all day. Let me show you what I got from the dollar store. I'm so excited. I got more baby's breath, some flowers, some gold flowers. Thank goodness it was this Christmas time. They didn't have hardly any Halloween stuff left, but then again, that is on Monday. These and my balls. I'm so very excited. So heating up the hot glue gun, and then we're going to finish these up. Definitely have to have a flower right there in the middle. No. I was thinking to maybe put the little balls here, but I changed my mind. All right, so yep, I'm checking it out because when you go ahead and you put stuff on a bra, sometimes it can make it to where it doesn't fit. I've done this in the past and then I've had to fix things. So yeah, it's fitting okay even with this shirt on. So let's move on. How are we doing? Oh, I'm liking it. Yeah, as you can see, I am a little extra. But so far I'm liking it. I might have to add more sequins. We will see. Okay, so these are my wings. And this is what the back looks like. Obviously very, very boring. So we're gonna spice it up. I do like the soft feathers. Yeah, all right, let's get started. What do you guys think? I'm kind of in love. All right, I got a few more themes today. I went to Spirit Halloween. I'll show you. The tutu. Some thigh highs. Some gems. And hair extensions. What do you think? All right, we've got to glam up this tutu. Hey, we are pizzazzed. Do you see that? I'm loving it. Just a little touch to the tutu. Let's take a closer look. This was easy and fun. Of course, I pizzazzed up the halo too. And I actually got inspiration from Amber Scholl. If you guys don't know who she is, I'll link her down below. But she did an amazing costume, and she does them like often. I was thinking like, all right, you know, flowers, gold, heaven, angels, that kind of thing. So what do you guys think? So this is my entire costume. I did get like knee highs, but I'm not really going anywhere, so I decided not to put them on. I do want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. This was pretty easy to put together, but it also took a lot of time. I really went into detail in the bra here, and I just kept thinking like angels and beautiful flowers and gold and different things like that. And that's where I came up with this. So I definitely want to hear what you guys have to say down in the comments. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Here's some pictures, and I kind of played around with backgrounds and things like that, and I wanted to include them in here. If you guys haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and give this channel a chance. And definitely comment down below. I'd love to get to know you. Thanks, guys. I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye.